Hey there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a transition effect on your GoHighLevel pages to any elements of your pages. Okay, so let's get started. So I am on a page here now. You can see. Let me reload the page so that you can see the preview. Okay, so the first option, okay, so this text and the image just have the transition effect, and if I scroll down, this one has the effect. Okay, also this one. Okay, this section also have the effect, and this section also have effect. Okay, the reviews are also coming away. Okay, so every single section of this page we have some kind of transition effect. Okay, so if I reload it again, you will see, yeah, here's it. So you as a GoHighLevel user know that GoHighLevel doesn't have this feature by default. So that's not a problem, because you can make this type of transition on any element of your page. Okay, it can be the landing page, it can be your website page, whatever you want. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this very easily. Okay, so let me go back to GoHighLevel. Okay, here I am on GoHighLevel account. Okay, so just I'm clicking create a blank page so that I can show you everything from scratch. Okay, and then let it load. Well, once page loaded, get an element. Let me take a let me take a one column row where we put a headline and subheadline, and then we add another two column row where we put some type of headline, subheadline, and a paragraph. Okay, let me make it a little bigger. Okay, let me copy this and add. Okay, so I'm just trying to make this visually good looking. That's why I'm doing all this, but this is not related to the animation actually. Okay, let me go back here. Okay, so the page, this section looks good now, right? Okay, so I'm going to add another section here, and then in this section, let's say we will take a three column row, and then into this row you will get an image, and then a subheadline, and this paragraph. Okay, subheadline and paragraph, and let me make this image a little small. Okay, so like this. Let me delete other columns and just duplicate this column 3 times. Okay, sorry, great. So I just duplicate this column. Let me add some background here so that we can make the different. Okay, so I'm not actually showing you how to design the GoHighLevel landing page, but I'm just doing this to show you how you can add the animation. Okay, so that's why we needed some different elements on the page. Okay, so let's say this is our page. Okay, this is our page, and we want some kind of animation effect on this page. Okay, so let me show you one website here. Okay, so this is this website is called animate.style. Okay, so if you go to animate.style, not CSS. Okay, if you search this on Google, you will also find this. Let me show you. If you search this, then you will find this link here. Okay, and then in this page you will see a lots of different class. Okay, the CSS class to add different type of animation effect, okay, on your element of your page. Okay, so if I click here shake, it shakes. Okay, and then if I click let's say swing, it's swing. Okay, if I click back in down, yeah, that's it. Okay, so if I click back out right, yes. Okay, so all the elements has some type of animation. Okay, so you can see if I click, it's doing the animation. So we are going to add this animation, okay, to our pages, and to do this we need a little code snippet that will actually help us to apply these animations on our GoHighLevel page. Okay, so we already have that code on our GitHub. Okay, so all we need to copy this code. Okay, I will describe you how it will work and what you need to do. Okay, so no worries about anything. Okay, so we just copied the code snippet from our GitHub, and then I'm going to paste this code anywhere on this page. Okay, so let me put it here. Okay, let me put it here as an HTML element, and then so this is a JavaScript code. Okay, so this JavaScript code actually help us to use the animation from this website. Okay, so I just added the JavaScript code. You don't need to make any changes of that JavaScript code. Okay, just copy the code and paste it here. Okay, nothing else. Okay, and then we are going to add the animation class, okay, from this. Okay, so for the first headline, we want to add a fade animation. Okay, so if we search on fade, then we have lots of fade option. Okay, fading entries. Okay, so let me copy one of them. Okay, let's say it's fade in, go back, and then click on this particular element and go to your settings option here and advanced. From here you will see, okay, let me reload the page, it's not showing some reason. Okay, so just click here on the element and then go to the advanced tab of that element and add a CSS class called wow. Okay, WOW, and hit enter, and then add the new fade in class. Okay, so in this case it's important thing. Okay, so as we added a JavaScript code, okay, so that is wow.js. Okay, so there is a website called wow.js, and from that website we actually created this code snippet, okay, by the help of that website. So that's why we need to add this little class for every single element where actually we want to apply the animation from the animate CSS, this website. Okay, so this is mandatory, okay, for all of the elements that you want to animate, and then the particular animation effect class is here. Okay, so default is wow for every single element you want to animate, and then fade in, fade out, whatever particular element animation you want to add into the element, that will be this second class. Okay, so for this case, for this headline, I'm going to add a fade in element, and then let me add one for this one. Okay, this column, let me go back. Wow, this is our default animation class, and then I will do some fade in right, fade in left, this one. Okay, fade in left, go back and put, okay, and then I will do same for this one, the default CSS class is wow. Then I will go back here and fade right. We can fade up. Okay, let me do the fade right. Then copy the code and then go back here. Okay, so this too is fine. So we will add some animation for these three element. Okay, so for this our default code, okay, the CSS class wow is added, and then I will add fade down this one for the first row, so for first column, and for the second column, okay, wow, and again fade down, and then third column again wow, and the fade down. Okay, so now we have added same animation for all of them, but with the help of animate CSS we can make the delay. Okay, so let me just scroll a bit, then we will see, you can see here is the delay classes. Okay, so we can delay the element, and then we also have the option to slower or faster elements. So in this case I am going to add this particular element. Okay, so we are going to add it faster and then fast and then slower. Okay, so different animations. So the faster is if we all just need to get this class. Okay, so not animate underscore faster. Okay, only the faster will help us to 500 ms faster the elements. Okay, so let me do this for the first one. Okay, faster, and then this one will be the slow. Okay, I think slow, that is the correct one. Oh sorry, fast, not slow. First one is faster, then the second one is fast. Okay, just copy, and then not slow, just fast. Okay, so just let me save the page and then preview it. If everything works then we are fine, otherwise we'll find out why it's not working. Okay, so let me preview it. Yes, it's working, right? So it's working properly. You can see again, you see this animation. Okay, so one more thing I want to show you. So for this particular element, okay, everything is loading at the same time. Okay, but we want to do some, let me put 100 pixel 100 pixel margin on top and bottom. Okay, it's 200 pixel. Okay, so in this case our screen will only show the first part of the website. Okay, and then yeah, still showing all those part. Let me add some more space for this one. For this particular element, let me put 400 and another 300 here. Okay, no, not 100, and here is 500. Okay, so that we need to make sure that our screen only show this part, and then once we scroll we will see this part. Okay, so this way we can preview it properly. Okay, that's good. You can see the headline actually is very faster, so it's appear, and then these two section also have the animation and it's working. And then if we scroll down, okay, you see once we scroll down, first this one was the faster, then the first, and then the default one. Okay, so let me do this again just in a moment. Okay, just in a moment. This one is working fine. If we scroll, yeah, So this animation is also working. So I think you get an idea how you can add animation on your GoHighLevel pages, and here are lots of different animation you can apply to your GoHighLevel pages. It's super easy. All you just need to copy the code snippet. Okay, you will get the code snippet right into the comment section of this video, and if any case you don't get this code snippet, then just feel free to write me. I will just send you the link or the code or guide you how you can get it. Okay, so that's super easy to get the code, and also it's super easy to implement this code or this animation on your GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, then feel free to like, subscribe and comment. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.